Hello, boss. So here's the 16 by 1 HDMI mesh switcher with the KVM function. And basically, this is the front panel, and which we have the push buttons for the switching. Right now, I have like basically, we can check out on the back side. And on the back side, right now, we can see we have 16 HDMI input ports, and also with the USB-A port. And this is the output, and output with the one HDMI output, but also with the two USB port for the keyboard and mouse. And here's for the audio in and audio out. Okay, and on the front panel also is two USB 2.0 hub. Basically, right now, if I want to do the switching, like right now, if I want to switch to the second PC, we can just press the button here. Then you will just switch to the second laptop. And I have another one which is connected to the input 16. So basically, if I want to switch to the 16 input, we need to press the bank button here. So we have a bank button, and we press bank and +8. Then that means you already switched to the 16. And also on this LCD screen also shows the input channel, and this one is for the scanning. So like right now, if I want to switch back to the input 1, press input 1. So you're going to be changed to 0, 1 means input 1. So input 2 and input 16. Okay, so basically this is how we use the push button for the switching. And here also I have the keyboard and mouse connected. And right now I also can use the hotkey for the switching. For hotkey switching, basically need to press the scrolling lock, this button. And we just press this button twice. Scrolling 2. Okay, so this one is switched to the input 1, which is from this PC here. Okay, so scrolling 2, switch to the input 2, and scrolling 16, enter. Then you will switch to the third PC. So scrolling 1. So when we switch to this PC, we can use this mouse. We can do the controllings already. Right. So we switch to the second PC. Scrolling second PC. Right, same keyboard and mouse. Scrolling 16. Okay, so this is how we do the switching by the hotkey switching or the front push button switching. Okay, thank you.